Hello, my name's Caroline. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for clicking this video. And I'm very excited to say that I have my second Ipsy box of the month, of the new year, whatever. Previously I've done FabFitFun boxes, and while I did enjoy them for the year that I did do it, I only got 4 boxes, and with Ipsy Box it is every month, which is pretty neat that I'm getting 5 full-size products with this subscription, which is like only $26.50 a month for like the Glam Bag Plus or whatever. So without further ado, we will go ahead and do a first impression of what I got this time with this month's Ipsy Box. All right. We got a cute little card. All right, first we have the Auteur Matte BELLE and ARGENT, which is like an orange nude pink, like a coral nudish pink. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I saw it as like my free pick of the month, so I decided why not. Nellie's over there making noise, so. And if any of these products I don't really find that interesting, I probably can give them away. Ooh, give them away as gifts. But this seems pretty spiffy, this packaging. Okay, that coloring's not bad. I don't mind it. I think the packaging is wonderful. Very pretty. Kind of bulky though, so. Okay. For the second time in a row, I have gotten an eyeliner. So I have 2 eyeliners already, and I bought some eyeliner from Tarte back before Christmas because I was running low. So I'm pretty stocked on eyeliner. This is a big felt tip eyeliner from a company called MAKIAGE. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but let's go ahead and try it on my hand. Doesn't seem bad. I don't mind it. Alright, so we have eyeliner, we have lipstick. Now we have a DC Cosmetic, Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Alright. Now I did see the box obviously before it shipped, but you had the choice to choose like this lipstick or choose like this or some of the other products that actually came in the box. So I'm not really sure why they even gave a choice. Doesn't make sense, but the packaging is really pretty for this. And the colors are quite nice. I don't really have I would say this color. Like maybe in my ColourPop I Like You A Lot palette might be similar to this, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this purple. Try that again. That's better, but still very light. Let's do this darker purple. It's not bad, I like that. I like the pigment on that one. Let's try this orange, this burnt orange. That's not bad either. Try this pink. Not as pretty as I would have liked it to be. Kind of, it's, I guess, buildable. But there's 4 colors from that palette. Obviously, like, we all know what a beige and a light pink. Let's just do light pink for fun. Not bad, honestly. I'll definitely try to do a look with this. I can't say it's gonna be that creative because I don't think the palette is that, like, creative. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want palettes nowadays to really, like, spark my interest. When I look at this, I'm like, oh yeah, it's cute. It's called Sweater Weather. It's cute. Kind of reminds me of the old Lorac palette that I had, like, color scheme wise. But I'll definitely do a little look, mini look on this. Now this, I'm excited for. Murad. This is a full size SPF Broad Spectrum Essential C Day Moisturizer. And I actually use the Essential C Moisturizer, I use the Essential C cleanser at night after I cleanse with Beauty Counter cleansing oil. This kind of just helps get all the yuckiness off the skin. This is very exciting because I know Murad is typically pretty expensive. It's very smooth. Side looks nice and moisturized. It smells like sunscreen though. Oy, that's a problem. Let's see actually what is the main ingredient. So it's avobenzoin, which is 3%. So this is a chemical sunscreen. It's got too much of that sunscreen smell, and if any of you guys know what I'm talking about, you know that, like, sometimes sunscreen smell, especially in moisturizers, can be very irritating to the senses. I have a very sensitive nose, especially when it comes to anything I'm putting on my face. So I'm a little disappointed by this. I just wish more companies would use mineral-based sunscreen versus chemical sunscreen, because a lot of what's killing off the coral reefs is because of the chemical sunscreen that we use. Granted, pollution is killing it off at probably a faster rate, but generally the coral reefs are being destroyed by the chemical sunscreens that we use. So I might give this away. Although I was very thrilled that I got this in my box this month, I think I'm gonna give it away. I personally just don't want to use it if it's gonna bother my nose and my senses, because, like I said, very irritating for me. Alright, next we have a Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask from DR.BOTANICALS. It is vegan, it's cruelty free, and let's see. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow mask to sink in the skin and leave overnight. Cleanse as normal the following morning. So typically I don't really cleanse in the morning. I just use like a toner to kind of like help with evening out my pores and making sure my skin's not super oily when I go to put my daytime skincare on. But I might try this on a night that I'm probably just gonna stay home and not do much, and then wake up and not do much. So I'll probably try that. I'll probably try this tonight just to see, but it is yay big. And I'll actually list all the prices next to each item that I've reviewed for this box. So, and it also comes with this cute little pouch. It says Ipsy on it. The pouches are kind of like, I just keep smelling that. That's sad. Wow. Wow, this matches my lip color really nicely. Not bad. I don't mind it. Alright, thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you found this interesting, I'll be doing more reviews on my Ipsy boxes that come in the future. And I'll probably decide about the 6th box to stay with it or not. I'm actually trying to do this just to kind of like bring me back to earth on like my retail therapy. Like previously I would buy a lot of makeup, and this is a great way to not spend a lot of money but get products that make me feel like I'm spending money in a way, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, if you're interested to see what I get next month, or if you have Ipsy box, let me know. Or if you have any subscription boxes that you really enjoy and you feel like you're getting quality products and they actually listen to your like list of everything that you say you want, let me know. I am interested in BoxyCharm, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, that's cool. And check out some of my other videos that I have. Hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Shout out BELLE, that YouTuber. Anybody else fan of her? Murder, mystery, makeup, suspicion.